If you're tired of paying monthly VPS subscription, or you're someone who wants to test your custom MetaTrader EA and indicators for PC for free, in this video, I'll be showing you a working method on how to run both your EA and indicator for free without a VPS or a computer. And you can do this all from your phone. So make sure to watch this video all through to the end so you do not miss any point. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share this to others who will need this. Now it's very easy to do. You need to install a Windows emulator, and I'm going to show you the first step. You want to open your browser, and then in the search section for your browser, you want to search for Winlator CMOB GitHub. Now you find several options here. Tap on the first option and it will bring you here. Now on this page, you want to scroll to the bottom where you find releases. Now tap on Winlator CMOB, the current release, and it will bring you here. Now once on this page, you find several options here. The option we're going to be using is the app debug APK. So on your Android phone, you want to go ahead and install this. You can do that by tapping on it, and this will prompt you to download. Simply hit on the download button and this will start the download. I already do have this installed, so I'm going to stop the download. Now once the download is complete, you want to go ahead and tap the app and then tap on just once in this section. If your phone doesn't allow to install unknown apps, simply tap on settings in this section, and then you want to check for Google Chrome allow from this source. Now tap on install, and this will install the app to your device. Once installation is complete, you can now open the app. Tap on allow, and this will start installing system files. So wait for this to finish. Once that is done, tap on OK and then allow access to manage files. You can now go back to create a container. Now the container is your PC configuration. To do this, you want to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen here, and you see several options you fill and select from here. So for container name, for the purpose of identification, you can go ahead and give it a name. So I'm going to leave this as trading, and then in the screen size section here, when you tap on the drop down here, you find several selections. Now the higher you go, the more slow it becomes when using your phone. You can maintain a balance by selecting 16:9 in this section. Every other settings here you can leave by default, but you can also go ahead to make further configuration if you want. Not totally compulsory, and you can always come back here to set this. So I'm going to be leaving all these settings here as default. And then in the bottom here, I'm going to show you something you can do. In the wine configuration, you can select the theme type, background, and mass swap override. Now I'm going to enable this so my mouse doesn't get stuck anytime I'm using it. You also see wine components in this section. You can go with the native Windows or use the built-in wine. I'm going to change all this to wine. In the environment section here, you can leave all this as default. And in the drive section here, you have the option to choose paths for your phone storage. Now by default, F is to your phone storage, while D is to your phone download. You can always tap here to change the alphabet and how they display. If you want to add extra folders from your phone, you can tap on add in this section and it will be added. Change the alphabet and then tap on the folder. This will bring you here. You can then select whichever folder you want to display for that selection. So I'm going to leave music as an option and then tap on use this folder. Tap on allow and it will be added here. Now once you're done with all the changes on this page, you can tap on the check mark here and your container will be created. You can create multiple containers by tapping on the plus icon here. You can tap on the three dots here to edit, duplicate, remove, or view your storage information. When you tap on edit, it will always bring you back here so you can make improvements to your container. Now to launch your container, you want to tap on the play icon on the container and then tap on allow. This will start up your container and bring you here. Now once in your container, this is what you see. You do not want to close the computer as it will always be left open. You can go ahead and minimize this. To get the best out of your container, you have few settings to enable here. You want to come to this section where it says start. Now you can tap to click, tap with your 2 fingers to right click. While here, you want to come to the system tools here, and then you want to install these two, which is Wine Gekko installer and Wine Mono installer. Simply tap on any one of them and then tap on install. Since most Windows apps use the .NET to operate, the installation is necessary. So wait for the installation to finish and then install the other components. Once the first one is done, you want to come back to start again and come to system tool. Select the second option and then tap on install. After the installation, we are ready to now install our trading platform. So you can go ahead and install the MetaTrader application from your broker to your phone and you'll be able to install it here. And I'm going to show you how to do this. And you want to go back, open your browser, and then in the search section, you want to search for your broker's name with MT5 and MT4 download. So for example, I use Headways. Search for Headways MT5 download and it will bring you here. Select your broker's option and then somewhere on the page you will always find the option to download. You also want to make sure that you are downloading for Windows. Tap on your option here and then tap on download. This will start downloading the app to your phone. Once it's done downloading, you can then install it with your container. And if anytime you open WinLater, you see that it always closes, you can minimize the app and then tap on the drop down on the app, tap on app info. Now on this page here, you want to scroll and find manage app if unused. Go ahead and disable it, and then you also want to find battery. So go scroll till you find battery. You see app battery usage, tap on it. Now go ahead and toggle this on. Now once you're done, you can go back to the WinLater application and you should see less of it shutting down. Now you can go ahead and open the container again, and once container is open, you will see this option as always. You want to come to D for download, double tap on it and it will take you to your download folder where your browser downloads files to. Now you want to keep scrolling on this page. I have a lot of download until you find the setup for your broker. Now here you want to double tap on the setup file and then you want to tap on next. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. This will start the installation. Once installation is complete, tap on finish in this section. You can go ahead and close this. And this will immediately start launching the app if it opens automatically. I'm going to close this. I'm going to minimize this. Finish the installation for Gekko. And already installed it, but it's still asking for that. Now once the MT5 terminal is loaded, you want to come here and click on File. Here you want to log in into trade account and then log in into your trading account. To input with a keyboard, your normal Android keyboard won't work here. You swipe all the way from the left and you get these extra options. Here tap on keyboard and this will bring your screen keyboard. Once you're done filling all the information, you can tap on the drop down on your keyboard, and then you want to tap on OK in this section to log you in. If it's a real or demo account, select in this section. Once you successfully log in into your trading account, you'll now be able to view your charts and many more. I'm going to be showing you how to use the EA first, then I'll show you how to add your custom indicators. Now, for this, if you have an external mouse, it will be very helpful since it supports drag and drop. This doesn't support drag and drop. The only thing you can do here is when you have your hand on the screen, one of them, you can put the other one to move around with this, but this won't help you to drag and drop. So for example, I have the correct pair open here, and you can do that by simply coming to the symbol section or tap in the search section here and then search for the symbol you are looking for. Once you find it, simply tap on it and it will be added here. You can then double click on it to find charts. Once you tap it will add it here, and any symbol that is open will be at the bottom here. Now it's very easy to do. If you're using a mouse, you can drag and drop. If you're using MT5, you can still do it, but it will be difficult with MT4. And what you want to do, let's go ahead and minimize this and then go to our file directory. I have my indicators in the download folder. I'll open download again. Now once you find the EA, double tap on the EA, and that's all you need to do. You can go back to your MetaTrader 5, and then once here, you're going to see that it will be added automatically to that folder. Now for MT4, you can watch my video on how to add indicators and EA to your MT4. It's very simple and I do not want to make this video longer. So the same works for indicators when you want to add indicator. The funny part is that for this you can drag and drop. And it will show you this. So now, enable algo trading. You can double tap on it. Make all necessary adjustments to the input and then tap on OK. You will see that it will be trading with the EA. Now I'm going to expand in this section a little so that you can see. And then bring this down. We currently have our EA trading on the MetaTrader 5 from our phone, and this is all phone. So this is one way you can test your EA even if you don't have a computer. You'll be able to view all your trades as they are being traded live. Now if you choose to use indicator, you can do the same thing here. Simply go to the charts you want to use. I'm going to bring this down and then minimize this. You can then look for the indicator on your download folder. Open the folder to your indicators and you see them listed in the MT5 format. So all you need to do is double tap, and then when you go to indicator section here, give it a little bit of time and wait for it to update. Now once it's added, you can double tap on the indicator check the input, color and visualization, and once you're done, tap on OK and it will be added to your chart. So that is how you can run your custom indicators and expert advisor on your mobile phone without a VPS or a computer. So isn't this just helpful? Another thing you can keep in mind is that anytime you're using any app and it crashes, maybe you're stuck on the screen, you can't do anything, you can always swipe from the left, and here you're going to see other options that you can use. Simply tap on Task Manager, find the app and terminate the app, and this will close the app. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, you can support this channel by leaving a like, subscribe and having the post notification turned on. Also do not forget to share this to anyone who you think will need this video.